Hello and Namaskar. My name is Vivek Shukla and you are watching Actuator Vivek. In this video, we are going to touch upon the concerns of parents for their child's career. Dear parents, before moving on the agenda, I would like to mention that youth take center stage of our initiative and all our efforts are directed towards making them know themselves better, know the real world opportunities, identify clear career goals, take ownership in decision and learn the process of achieving precision in execution. In this process, we are going to discuss a number of stories, case studies and activities to make them think, evolve and learn to execute. These programs aims to reflect the importance of task at hand and how to choose the best suiting career alternatives while evaluating through valuable inputs of parents and peers at the same time considering their own interests and traits. Needless to say, the foremost priority of our programs goes to formal education. Now, being a parent and guardian ourselves to children across this age group, we understand the anxiety of a parent to make their child excel at their best potential, and we are aiming right there. So, let's come to the concerns. On closely looking at the preparatory life of students who qualify for prestigious institutions post 12th, we find that their parents did a lot of hard work. They helped their children in searching requisite information, in supporting them filtering through the clutter, doing lots of logical discussion in choosing the best career option, conflict management, standing with them in their career decision making, and finally keeping them mentally balanced day in and out during this struggle to fight the battle with flying colors. Another concern is, out of more than 10 lakh students appearing for JEE Mains, precisely top 50,000 get best and promising institutions. So the concern is for the remaining 9.5 lakh students and all such students in similar examinations, including those who are not appearing for it. We want to ask one very basic question to both the parent and the child, that what makes these students compete for these examinations. The day they find answer to this question, they make a strong foundation to start solving career related problems. At the same time, this is equally true that the exact career path needs time to take shape, but then we have to put necessary efforts to unravel it. Here, I would like to mention that these students do not differ much in terms of talent, but more in terms of right decision at right time and process orientation. On the other hand, there are innumerable career options where our youth can make lasting impact. The career options which suits to their interest and traits, where they can drive a respectful and financially fulfilling life. Please refer our video on hiring and firing and the way a company selects a candidate after filtering hundreds of potential aspirants. The same way we recommend that the career decision making should go through a rigorous rejection process. Now, in this rejection process, the participant may require to go through trial and error method, for which middle and secondary classes are the best time. In our researches, we have found that most of the advanced countries have recommended career counseling at secondary level itself. Now let's take another perspective. If we look around us, we witness a number of financially strong people excelling in life, but they are not from these prestigious institutions, yet they have made respectable growth. Now this statement does not mean that we are asking our youth to drop their JEE target, but to analyze and carry the same target with desired vigor. Now, as a parent, I would also suggest you to take a few questions yourselves, like how to drive knowledge pool and skilling of our child from the very age of class 1, what co-curricular activities to be done at what age, how to imbibe the ability of decision making in child, which option is better, parent driving child's career or child gaining requisite clarity, confidence and ownership to drive results. considering innumerable concerns of all stakeholders in a child's life, the initiative of Actuator Vivek took shape. We have thoroughly researched a number of autobiographies, stories, and case studies, and with our own experience, we have shortlisted 180 plus soft skill areas which need deep discussion to reduce failure in life, thereby increasing success rates. We have imbibed these researches and learning in our career programs to give mesmerizing clarity to our participants so that they can decipher themselves for a distinguished career. In order to know more about our programs and about the initiative, please visit our website actuatorvivek.com and register yourself for a complimentary introductory session. Thank you so much.